Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you are fine at your home. Okay, today we are going to take a very important lesson. This is not included from your book. Okay, this is just journal topic for you. Okay, what is the topic? The topic is living and non-living things. Do you know about the living things and non-living things? Do you know? Who's telling me? No one. Okay, I will explain in front of you that what is living things and what is non-living things. Okay, we can see around us lots of things. Okay, so you can see some things are living and some things are not living. Okay, so if I will say which things can you identify the things these things are living and these things are not living, how you can tell me? So you can see the things. Here we have the things. You can see here some things are living and some things are not living. Okay, just like you. Are you living or non-living? Are you living things? Okay, just like me, I am teacher, I am also living. Okay, so just like this, all the humans like boy, girls, all the persons, all the animals, all the birds, insects, okay, all the plants, these are the living things. Okay, and what are the non-living things? Your book, your pencil, your razor, okay, and you can see in your room fan, in here taxis, chairs, these all things are non-living things. Okay, here we have some features for living things or non-living things. We have divided two categories here. One category is for living thing and second is non-living things. Okay, the first feature is living things can move. Okay, just like I can move my hand. Okay, you can move your hand. I can walk, you can walk. Okay, just like we can walk and we can move everywhere. We can move from one place to another place by using your legs. Okay, just like us, plants are also living things. Okay, they can move with the help of air, you can say, and they can move. They can move with the sunlight. Okay, direction of the sunlight. They move with the direction of the sunlight. Okay, just like us, all the birds are living things. They can fly by using their wings. Okay, just like us, fish can swim in the water, and some you can say animals, some insects can crawl. Okay, on the earth. Animals can move just like us. The first feature can move means all the living things can move. Okay, but the non-living things cannot move. Okay, just like pencil cannot move, my ruler is cannot move, your pencil cannot move, all the things, your books, bag, all the non-living things cannot move, but it can move by yourself. Okay, the second thing is living things can grow. Okay, all the living things can grow, like you, this boy, plants, birds, all the animals, all the living things can grow. Just like baby can grow into a child. Okay, a kitten can grow into a cat, and a seed can grow into a plant, and finally they can grow into a big and strong tree. Okay, all the living things can grow, but the non-living things cannot grow. Okay, I have a pencil just like, and it cannot grow just like you. Okay, all the things cannot grow. Just like your pencil cannot grow, you cannot grow up your pencil. Okay, but it can decrease. The height of the pencil is decreased. Okay, all the non-living things cannot grow. The third feature is can't breathe. The living things can breathe. Okay, just like me. I can breathe by my nose. Can you breathe by your nose? Yes. All the living things breathe by using their lungs. Okay, they can observe the oxygen and release the carbon dioxide. Plants give us oxygen and they can observe the carbon dioxide and they can give you oxygen. Plants absorb carbon dioxide. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and they can release oxygen for you. Plants give us neat and clean and fresh air for all the living things. Okay? But the non-living things cannot breathe. Okay? Just like you, just like the all living things. Living things can feel. Okay, just like I am happy, you are happy. If you are sad and you have the emotions, but non-living things don't have the emotions, they don't have the feelings. Okay, the third thing, the fourth, living things need food and water. Okay, living things need food. Food is very important for all the living things. Okay, without eating the food we cannot survive. Okay, all the living things need food and water. Just like you need food, we also need the food, and all the animals, birds, insects, all the living things need food. Plants as well as plants, because plants is also living things, they need food. Okay, but the non-living things, they do not need food. Okay, they do not need of water. But all the living things need food, and without eating the food, you cannot survive. For your good health, you will take the good food. Okay, and can't die. Living things can die, but non-living things cannot die. Okay, living things can die when they have a specific time of life. Okay, in the last they have died. But the non-living things cannot die either. It can break in damage. Just like your book, it can be tear, your pencil can be damaged, your toys can be break. Okay, but the non-living things cannot die, but the living things can die. Okay, all the living things have the same features. Means they can move, grow, breathe, feel food, and they need food and water, and they also finally they are die. But all the non-living things, they cannot move, they cannot grow, they cannot die, and they do not need of food and water. Okay, so students, you will observe here and there all are living things. Okay, what are the living things and what are the non-living things? When you will go outside of your house, you can see so many non-living things. And just like non-living things, you can see lots of living things like animals, like birds, like different types of pupils. They also are living beings and living things. Okay? And you can see around us lots of non-living things in your classroom, at your home, and everywhere you can see the living and non-living things. Your homework is draw any two living things and non-living in your copy. You will draw two things. Okay, two things you will draw. Okay, students, you will draw any two living things and two non-living things in your copy. Okay, you can take any two, just like the cat, any living you can draw your pigs, any bird, anything in living, any plant. Okay, in non-living things you have the lots of things. You can draw your book, your pencil, your copy. It's up to you. You have the lots of things. Okay, this is your homework you will do in your copy. Okay, students, take Allah Hafiz, stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.